Old Man PHP. I create PHP video tutorials for the old guys who want to learn a new skill and compete with the young crowd. Now this is video 34. We're going to talk about 3 commands in this short video today. First, the explode command. The explode function splits your string into an array, right? And let's try using this here because I did this beforehand. See, we're going to use this particular file, right? We're going to put it in this array, which we already did, and now we're going to put it in here. And I just want that piece. I just want where's you're cutting it. Get it right here. So you're using this dot, and this is where I want you to split it at. Then, of course, you put in your name. That will be this cut and paste. That's it. Once I hit that, it's going to do it for you. So how about we do the print? Remember that one? And we'll just stick this guy in here. You know something? Since it's going to look weird, we're going to echo out the pre-format. Remember that one? Pre, like that. And then we'll say, close it up. Pre. Then we're gonna run it. Boom. Test copy PHP. Split it up. This is the test copy PHP. See, it split it up right here at the dot. Now we later on we're going to use like the end command to give me like the end part of this particular thing here. So I'll show you that in a moment. But you know something? Why don't we just show you now anyway? We'll do it here. We'll go here and we'll just say $file actual extension. Just to let's make it small, lower that thing, right? Just in case somehow it was copied. And then we're gonna say n, and this is another this n command will give you the n, which is actually this part right here. This starts at the end. So we're gonna say $file extension. It looks like I'm gonna sneeze there for a second. And we might as well take a look. Let's do the var. How about that? Let's do this. There you go. 3 PHP. That's what I want. So now we want we'll assign an array to hold the file extensions, right? So what I would like to do is to remember we talked about the in array, if it's in an array. So let's do the allow, because we're only allowing. This is also going to be a variable. I just want the JPEGs. I want by seeing some file being saved like this. Then you have your PDG. Oh, wait a minute. PNG. And then you know, we got PDFs, right? We got PDFs, and we got PHP. How about that? See, this is an array with all the extensions, and what you're going to do is you're going to compare to see if it's in there. So you're going to say array $file actual extension. Remember that one? And then we're going to put in $allow. Bita ba la la la. Okay, let's put a little space here so you can see it better. Alright, let's don't forget the curly brace so we can get the, and in this particular case, I want to see if this, or is it here, which happens to be this, it's in here, in this array. This is what this is, in an array. I just want you to see, take this and say if that is in here. If this, which happens to be PHP, it's in this array, which is here. And if it is, I want you to give a message saying, let's say match. Found. How about that? Match found. So we'll do that. Let's put a little space there. And then we're going to say else. And then we're going to go like this. And then we're going to move that down. Then we're going to say that's not found. Match, oops, a daisy, not found. That should do it, really. I'm going to be using a lot of this stuff that I'm showing you now. This is kind of like a review of these things because you're going to be using that in that crew project that I'm working. It's going to be big, so I might have to, it's going to take some time wrapping up, but the video is going to be long, so probably I will have to show you the actual file and we just go down the line telling you what I'm doing instead of typing it out because it's going to take a while. Okay, let's do this test, and here goes. Found match because you found this, and which happens to be, I'm gonna just put this here to look. I'm gonna just say PHP tests, save it. Look, they found it. All right, man. Like I mentioned, it was going to be a short video. This is a review for the next stuff that's coming up. I'm going to be talking about the file, the upload file, to jog your memory before we hit that big one. It's going to be called upjust.php, which I'm going to show instead of typing it all out. Okay, so again, we reached the end, and then if you enjoy this video and you learn about the advanced PHP, stuff that I've been showing you, just hit the like and the subscribe button, and that's going to help my channel grow. And on our next video, like I mentioned, we'll talk about the upload file. So let's go in here. Until next time, good night.